gather around gentle souls and guarded hearts. But today, I will tell you a tale that twists and turns through the treacherous terrain of modern love, a story of scarlet signals and silent screams, of digital deceptions and delicate dreams. Picture, if you will, a porcelain paradise where perfection paraded in designer disguises, where love languished in lights and loneliness lurked behind carefully crafted captions. This is where our story begins, in the labyrinth of luminous lies and lavender-scented lessons. Manipulation moved like midnight mist through marble halls, the master of this maze wore many masks, sometimes sweet as summer strawberries, sometimes cold as December dawn. Darling, the voice would drip like honey from poisoned lips. You're my everything. While treating hearts like hotel rooms, temporary stays with guaranteed checkouts. Behold the ballad of breadcrumbs beautifully scattered across social media stages. One moment, secrets shared in sacred silence, the next, broadcast like breaking news to hungry followers, private whispers transformed into public performances, intimacy invented for Instagram's insatiable appetite. It's the bitter truth, I guess,
Or
harsh reality, whatever you call it. Watch closely as modern love manifests in maddening methods. Monday's messages overflow with passion, Tuesday's texts turn tepid, Wednesday witnesses withdrawal, Thursday threatens thorny thoughts, Friday finds fresh victims. Saturday sees strategic silence, Sunday starts the cycle anew. Yeah, Sunday starts the cycle anew. Let's keep things casual. Force the commitment. Phobic creatures of our time, while their souls silently scream for sanctuary, they swap sincerity for superficial satisfaction, depth for disposable delights. In this carnival of casual connections, hearts become commodities traded on the temporal market of momentary pleasure. But listen, dear audience, as our tale takes a transformative turn, for in this wilderness of warning signs, wisdom waited patiently to be discovered. Each crimson flag unfurled like flower petals revealing revelations. When love bombers dropped their emotional explosives, boundaries bloomed like bulletproof roses. Where gaslighters tried to dim reality's radiance, truth burned brighter than the twisted torches. As narcissists danced their deceptive dance, authentic steps were learned in the shadows of their spotlight. Philosophers' whispers weave through our narrative. From speaks of love's art in a world of artificial hearts. Buber beckons toward genuine connection while digital disconnection dims our inner light. Yet, in this chaos of casual encounters and calculated courtships, crystal clarity emerges like star after storm cloud clear. Yeah, after storm clouds clear. Behold, brave hearts, How the very venom meant to break us becomes the medicine that makes us whole. In this age of swipe right simplicity and emotional economy, every red flag can become a revolution, every warning sign a window to wisdom. Yeah. See how the story spirals towards sovereignty. Manipulates maze leads to mindful boundaries. Casual cruelty creates courageous compassion. Temporary connections teach timeless truths. Digital deception develops deeper discernment. And now, dear viewers, as our tale turns towards its twilight, remember, these crimson flags that colored our journey are not just warnings, they are waypoints on the path to wholeness. In this wilderness of modern love, of course, where hearts swipe right but souls long left, every red flag can become a lighthouse, leading us home to ourselves. For in the end, the greatest love story isn't found in perfectly filtered photos or carefully crafted captions. It blooms in the beautiful chaos of becoming, when we learn to love not despite our scars, but because of the strength they have sculptured within us. And so, my fellow travelers, on this tumultuous trail of transformation, let these tales of red flags and resilience remind you sometimes the most magnificent gardens grow where warning signs once stood. Remember this. And for now, it's enough for now. Yeah. If you have any comments, suggestion, or feedback, just feel free to share in the comment box down below. I would like to hear from you. What do you guys think about it? And how am I thinking about these matters? These human matters are really important to be discussed with details, of course, so we can understand that better. Till then, see you.
Like, comment, share, subscribe.